Hello all, we are going to view how to create a support ticket on the Core Dealer portal. You can create a support ticket from Ticket menu in your portal account. A new support ticket can be submitted by clicking the New Support Ticket button in the Ticket menu. In this section, the product group and product code are selected. The device serial number is entered and the type of fault is selected, followed by detailed information about the fault. If you wish to add multiple devices from the same product group, you can do so by selecting the Add Bulk Devices option. After filling in the relevant fields, the support ticket is completed by clicking the Create button. Let's create a support ticket. In this example, we'll report that one of our air conditioning controllers could not be updated. A new support ticket has been created and is displayed in the new section of the status indicators. The relevant request has been forwarded to Core Technical personnel. When Core Technical personnel views this case, it is updated to the Under Review status. After reviewing the situation, Core Technical personnel will provide you with the necessary information and explain the steps required to resolve the issue. They may also share files if needed. When you receive a message regarding your support ticket, the status of the support ticket will be updated to Waiting for Customer Response. By pressing the Actions button, you can view and reply to the Core Technical personnel's message. Once the process is complete, Core Technical personnel will update the support ticket to completed. Let's do another example. In this example, let's say the front panels of two touch panels were broken during mounting. Since these products require repair, Core Technical personnel will ask you to send them the products. Core Technical personnel updates status of the support ticket to Waiting for Customer Shipment, allowing you to download the automatically generated ticket form from the Operations section and send it along with your shipment. Once the product reaches the core technical department, core technical personnel update the support request to under inspection. If product repair requires a fee, core technical personnel will send you a quote, and upon your approval, status of the support ticket will be updated to waiting for customer approval to facilitate the necessary payment. After this stage, core technical personnel update status of the support ticket to in progress and take the necessary steps to resolve the issue. Once the process is complete, core technical personnel will update status of the support ticket to ready for shipment. And when the product is shipped, it is updated to shipped to customer. Based on the information that the product has been delivered to the customer, status of the support ticket is updated to completed, and the support ticket for the relevant products is closed. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.